let's go over here for a second. Ooh. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you guys are new, and if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. It has been a week. Like, I can't even articulate how frustrating this week has been between my basement flooding and trying to make deadlines. If you guys follow along on Instagram, which you should, I've shared a little bit about what's going on, but needless to say, my house looks like a war zone and it's giving me insane anxiety. Also, I'm trying a new camera setup. I don't know how this is working. So I have a pretty big weekend. It's Saturday. Tomorrow I have a Jonas Brothers concert, but I also have a deadline on Monday. So trying to multitask, get as much done. It's kind of putting a change of plans in my normal Sunday, which is like walk, church, walk, church, grocery store, meal prep, and cleaning and laundry. We have to do this all today. So that means we are, oh my gosh, this is a lot. So we're going to be doing a full house speed clean routine. This is gonna be the ultimate motivation because if I can do it, you can do it, and we are in this together. So we need to clean the whole house. I need to meal prep. I need to do laundry, go to the grocery store, and we have like a few hours to do it. I think we can do it. Let's do it. So because I had to move all my office stuff into the dining room, this is what we're working with. We've also got some towels that need to be folded. We also have back to school supplies, giveaways that need to go out and get organized, and it's a mess. That too. And I'm embarrassed to say that has been there since Sunday. We've got laundry on the floor. It's just downright embarrassing. You guys know my first rule whenever I'm doing a massive clean with me is to just get the immediate clutter moved. First things first, the dining room. Towels, and put away all the planners, all the crap that you see sitting out here.
So it can be really overwhelming when the whole house is a mess. One of the things that I like to do is just declutter and put things away first of all. Like the things that you know are not supposed to be there. For example, these towels, they don't need to be in my dining room. And all of these kind of just random boxes, paper, things that need to just visually go away. Like I said, it can be really overwhelming. So start in one spot and complete that first. Whenever I have a lot of paperwork and mail, I always have like a dumping bin. And so that is what the gold graded file cabinet situation or file organizer is, or I guess it's a magazine organizer. Sorry. So I'll put everything in there and then just like tackle it later. But as long as I can get the whole space looking better, then it's a win. I don't need to have everything super organized and filed away. I just need immediate satisfaction of having clutter-free zones. And so I put all of my pens away, planners away, and have a nice clean dining room / desk. Now this laundry basket has been sitting there for a while. I bought these pans on Amazon that I had to put together. I've never bought pans to put together. That was weird, but they were sitting in my family room for way too long. So I'm just gonna straighten out, fold blankets, fluff pillows. I had some sketchbook and pencils out there because I was doodling the night before, so I needed to just put those away, and I keep those in our TV cabinet with my like photo albums and stuff. And then I have never done so much laundry in my entire life. Between me and Kyle and Josh, I feel, I don't know how families do it. Like I have so much respect for moms who have, you know, husbands or just any relationship where there's more than 2 people in a household. It is a chore. It is a big chore. And I do the Konmari way of folding. It makes everything so much easier. Because we're a little short on storage space right now, it has really helped me be able to get a lot into our closets and our drawers, because now that Kyle has his things here, you know, like I said, I'm short on storage. So folding everything into these little tiny like parcel sized things has really been a game changer, and I highly recommend you guys try it out for your items. It really does not take that much longer, especially when you get the hang of it. It actually saves time because I really can see where everything is better, and it looks nicer.
I literally just find like military stuff all over the house. See, this is what I'll give you a brief overview. He's got like, you can't even open it because we've got so much stuff in here. He has a little cubby, and then there's me. So yeah, gonna have to fix that.
One thing that I like to do seasonally is go through my closet and make sure that I am utilizing everything. And if not, it goes on Poshmark. If it doesn't go on Poshmark, it gets donated. I have been using Poshmark for a few years, but they recently just added now that you can have home decor pieces, which is pretty awesome because I have a hoarding problem when it comes to home decor, but I have been using them to sell my gently used goods for a while now. If you guys want to follow me, you guys can download the Poshmark app. I will have it linked down below for you guys, and you can use Haley M Cairo, which is my username. You can follow me, we can be friends, but you can also get $10 off your first purchase on Poshmark. It's not only great for selling your gently used items, but it's fantastic for shopping because they're going to definitely have your favorite brands. I have found really great designer pieces, and if you do find something that's luxury, they will do complimentary authentication for purchases of $500 or more, so you know you're getting the real deal. But since we're going to be moving soon, I wanted to jump ahead and start getting rid of some things, and now that we can do things like bedding and stationery and other home things, it's going to be that much better. I love it too because not only are you clearing out your own space, but you can make a little extra cash and save up for something really awesome. But you guys can see here, it's super easy to upload and start selling today. I can quickly snapshot a bunch of items that I want to sell and either post them right away, or you can just get them from your camera roll. So if you find a bunch of items, you can take a bunch of pictures, and then when you're like hanging out at night, chilling, watching Netflix, you can go ahead and write all the descriptions and enter all the information to post them. That's kind of like my little hack to save time. But again, you guys can click the link in my description box if you have not downloaded Poshmark yet and get $10 off your first purchase. Poshmark is such a great way to not only clean out your closet, but you can make some extra money, especially if you're a college student and you need a little extra cash. This is one of the best ways to have a very easy and totally profitable side gig.
Also, I don't know if this is something that a lot of people do, but my grandfather always kept his sleep shirt underneath his pillow. It's just something I've ended up doing. So, sleep shirt, pillow.
Similar to my productivity kind of system of only sticking to one thing and completing it before moving on to the next, it is the same thing when I clean. So now we are in the kitchen and I'm going to unload the dishwasher because I can't really clean until that's done. And what's frustrating sometimes is my dishwasher does not dry very well, so I have to actually hand dry or allow these things to dry on a drying mat. So it does create this like backed up, as you can see, cluttered area over here kind of frequently that I'm constantly messing with. So I'm going to dry some things, just speed up that process, and then start to put them away. It's a lot of like food prep containers and things like that. And then we can load the dishwasher. I find cleaning very therapeutic. I don't know if you guys are with me, give this a thumbs up. I also needed to just refill my little XOXO scrubber. I don't think that's what it's called. Is it OXO? I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. But I'm just going to hand wash some things. All these bigger bowls and stuff I just find easier to hand wash, allow them to dry, and then it also saves like space in the dishwasher. And then I'm a stickler about organizing my utensils. I stack them. I can't just like throw them in there. Then we clean out the coffee pot. I especially like doing this because you don't want to have mildew create mildew in there. And then going to sanitize the countertops and the stove. And then I use Mrs. Meyer's to do the counters as well because I like the smell and it's a little less harsh than using Lysol. Even though this is an all-day clean with me, I wipe off the counters pretty much daily just for sanitary purposes and my mental sanity. But I love the Bluebell scent. It's really nice. It has a sort of powdery smell to it. I don't know. It's great for summer. And now we are going to go through the coupons. I feel like I have officially reached adulthood because I read the inserts from the newspaper and I actually look forward to it when it comes in the mail. I know it's weird, but I like to just see what's on sale and kind of compare the grocery stores that are close to me. I've been loving Aldi. You guys know I have a couple Aldi hauls for you if you want to check those out with price comparisons. I'm going to be doing one for Costco as well. I hope you guys liked seeing how I get my house in order. If you guys have not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you on here and also following on social. If you guys want to download the Poshmark app, I will have the link in my description box with the code HaleyMCairo so you can follow me but also get $10 off of your first purchase. Shop your favorite brands, your friends' closets, my closets. You guys are going to love it, and it's such a great way to make a little extra money and make some room in your closet. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.